The mobile app, a ubiquitous tool of the 21st century. From ordering food to managing finances, apps have revolutionized our lives. But behind every great app lies a complex development process. Developers faced a challenge. They needed to build separate apps for iOS and Android. This meant double the work, double the time, and double the cost. The need for a solution was clear. Developers searched for tools and frameworks to streamline app development. They yearned for a way to write code once and deploy it across multiple platforms. This desire for efficiency and cost-effectiveness fueled innovation. The world of app development was ripe for disruption. This led to the emergence of cross-platform development frameworks. These frameworks promised to solve the problem of building separate apps. They offered a way to write code once and use it across different operating systems. But many early attempts fell short. They often compromised performance or lacked the native look and feel. The search for the perfect cross-platform solution continued. Developers needed a framework that was fast, efficient, and delivered a native-like experience. They wanted a tool that could keep pace with the ever-evolving world of mobile technology. The journey for a better way to build apps was far from over. In 2017, Google introduced Flutter to the world. It was a new open-source framework for building cross-platform apps. Flutter promised something different. It offered speed, efficiency, and the ability to create beautiful, natively compiled applications. Developers were intrigued. At the heart of Flutter lies Dart, a fast and object-oriented programming language. Dart's simplicity and power appealed to developers. It offered a refreshing change from other complex frameworks. Flutter's unique approach quickly gained attention. It promised faster development times and a smoother user experience. Flutter's approach to cross-platform development was different. It didn't rely on web views or platform-specific components. Instead, Flutter used its own high-performance rendering engine to draw widgets directly on the screen. This meant Flutter apps looked and felt native on both iOS and Android devices. Early adopters of Flutter were impressed. They found the framework intuitive and easy to learn. Flutter's hot reload feature, which allowed developers to see code changes instantly, was a game changer. Word began to spread. Flutter was not just another cross-platform framework, it was a potential game changer in the world of app development. Flutter's success can be attributed to several key features. Its ability to build apps for multiple platforms from a single codebase is a major advantage. This means businesses can reach a wider audience without the need for separate development teams. This cross-platform capability is a huge time and cost saver. One of Flutter's most beloved features is hot reload. This allows developers to make changes to the code and see the results instantly in the app. This speeds up development significantly, allowing for faster iteration and experimentation. Developers no longer have to wait for lengthy build times. They can experiment and fine-tune their apps in real time. Flutter's use of widgets sets it apart. Everything in Flutter is a widget, from buttons and text to complex layouts. This widget-based architecture makes it easy to create complex and beautiful user interfaces. These widgets are customizable and pre-built, allowing developers to quickly assemble and tailor UI elements. Flutter's widgets are designed to provide a consistent experience across different platforms. This means Flutter apps look and feel native on both iOS and Android devices without requiring platform-specific code. This focus on a native look and feel enhances the user experience, making apps feel more intuitive and familiar. Section 4. A helping hand Firebase and the power of community. Flutter's integration with Firebase is another major advantage. Firebase is a comprehensive suite of tools for building, testing, and deploying apps. It provides back-end services like authentication, databases, and cloud storage, simplifying the development process. This seamless integration allows developers to focus on building app features, not back-end infrastructure. Beyond its technical capabilities, Flutter has fostered a vibrant and supportive community. This community actively contributes to Flutter's growth by sharing knowledge, building tools, and providing support to fellow developers. This collaborative spirit has been instrumental in Flutter's rapid adoption. The Flutter community is known for its welcoming atmosphere and willingness to help newcomers. Online forums and resources are plentiful, providing answers and guidance to developers of all skill levels. This supportive community lowers the barrier to entry for new developers. This strong community ensures that developers have access to a wealth of resources and support. It's a testament to the enthusiasm and passion surrounding Flutter. This community-driven aspect of Flutter is a key factor in its continued success and growing popularity. Section 5. The Flutter Effect. Time saved, quality gained. The impact of Flutter on app development is undeniable. It significantly reduces development time and cost, allowing businesses to bring their apps to market faster. The use of a single codebase for multiple platforms streamlines the development process, reducing redundancy and improving efficiency. Flutter's emphasis on performance ensures that apps run smoothly and efficiently. Its use of Dart, a compiled language, contributes to its speed and responsiveness. This results in apps that feel fast and fluid, providing a positive user experience. Flutter's ability to create visually appealing and highly customizable apps is another major advantage. Its widget-based architecture empowers developers to craft beautiful and engaging user interfaces. This focus on aesthetics enhances the user experience, making apps more enjoyable to use. The cost-effectiveness of Flutter is a major draw for businesses of all sizes. Its ability to reduce development time and resources translates into significant cost savings. This makes Flutter an attractive option for startups and established companies alike. Section 6. Flutter's trajectory. A look into the future. Flutter's future looks bright. Its popularity continues to soar as more developers discover its capabilities. Google is heavily invested in Flutter's growth, constantly adding new features and improvements. This commitment from Google ensures that Flutter will remain a relevant and powerful framework for years to come. As mobile technology evolves, Flutter is well positioned to adapt and thrive. Its versatility and performance make it an ideal choice for emerging technologies like foldable devices and wearables. Flutter's ability to create beautiful and responsive user interfaces makes it a natural fit for these new form factors. Flutter's impact extends beyond mobile app development. With Flutter for Web and Flutter for Desktop, developers can now use Flutter to build applications for the web and desktop environments. This expansion beyond mobile demonstrates Flutter's versatility and its potential to become a truly universal framework. The future of app development is moving towards cross-platform solutions, and Flutter is at the forefront of this movement. Its combination of speed, performance, beauty, and a thriving community makes it the go-to choice for businesses and developers looking to build the next generation of mobile applications. Flutter is not just a framework, it's a powerful tool that is shaping the future of app development.